What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Subaru Outback Smart Key Remote Fob. This Subaru Outback key fob is going to be for the Subaru vehicles that have a push-button start ignition, and it's going to use replacement battery CR2032. I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these replacement batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using to change this key fob battery is a flathead screwdriver. So the first thing we want to do is grab our key fob, and we're going to remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this small square silver release on the back. Press that button in, and the emergency key will pull out like that. And we can just set that key to the side. Now if we're holding our key fob with the buttons facing down, and we're taking a look at the bottom of it, this slot right here is where that emergency key just slid out of. And then just below that, there's another slot right here. What I'm going to do is put my screwdriver in that notch like that, in that slot, and then I'm just going to kind of angle up and pry up on this back cover like that. And then once the cover is coming off of there, go ahead and pull it off. And we see our battery right here. And this is just kind of sitting down in the circuit board that will come out like that. You can use your screwdriver to carefully get under the edge of the battery and get it out of that holder. Now I'm going to grab my new battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing your new battery with the plus side up. So you kind of want to tuck that edge in first under those two little tabs in the holder, and then snap it down into place. Put our circuit board back in the front, down in that rubber piece like it should be sitting. Then we're going to snap the back cover on, and you just want to line this silver release up. You can see the cutout for it, that hole. So line that part up, and then snap the rest of the way on. Slide our emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.